How to fix Bluetooth stuttering in Windows. First step, restart Bluetooth services. Search for run and type the following text. Services.msc, click OK. Scroll down and search for Bluetooth support services. Right click, click properties. Make sure the startup type should be in automatic or manual, it depends on you, but the service status should be in running mode. Click start, click apply and OK. After completing one more time, right click and restart it. Next step, search for run and type the following text. mmsys.cpl, click OK. Here in this you need to right click. Under playback you need to right click it. Click properties, click enhancement, and you have seen the disable all enhancement is there. You need to enable it. After enabling, click apply and OK. And move on with next step. Click settings, click Bluetooth and device settings. Scroll down, search for device settings. Click it. Here in this you need to scroll down and click more device and printer settings. Click it. Right click your Bluetooth device. Click properties. In this click services tab. Unselect remotely controllable device. Unselect it. After unselect, click apply and OK. Close it and restart your device. Thank you.